The last week has been good for our challenge, but with that said, I'm not very happy about it. Before I tell you why, please smash that like button so it can help the channel grow, so I can use more time to make more useful videos. Before I go through this, please remember that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on the internet doing a challenge, so please be responsible with your choices. Now let's dive in. As you can see, our balance stands right now at almost $120, which is a whopping almost 25% increase from the last update. As you can see, is the USDT, which we use in this challenge. Like I said, the BNB, it's only used to pay fees. So this is not counting towards the challenge. Now, I did some adjustments. Instead of running only 2 bots, right now I have 5 bots running. And so far, I use the approach that every bot will use the entire amount in the account in every trade it makes. And this is how I end up with this error right here. Yeah, it's a very nice green candle, right? But let me quickly write this. So I had 100% equity, 5 bots using 100% on every trade. The issue with this is that in order to make this possible and to avoid the situation where I have a bot that doesn't have any capital because another bot has opened the trade, I was using leverage, and I used leverage 10. So my thought process right here was that every bot will use 10% from the leveraged amount, right? So in a way, I leverage $100 in $1,000 and I'm using only 100, yes? But I forgot about something. I forgot about the fact that the losses and the wins are also multiplied by 10. Yeah, pretty dumb on me, right? That might sound like a good thing to you, but when I planned this, the entire strategy was planned to use 100%, not more than that, because everything on top of that could easily ruin the challenge. In this case, I was lucky, but it could have been easy the other way around. So I have this position right here. Thank God, because this was the way that I realized my mistake with this approach. So I wake up and I am around, I think I am at this candle, green candle right here. Do you see? Let me highlight it. This green candle. When I woke up, the price was here. Now it's easy to know what happens, but yeah, I was here. So the price was right here. And I thought it's a very good time to take profit. I did not want for the script to stop this trade. I knew I must stop it myself, because after a pump like this, most of the time, it takes some time to cool off. And there are a lot of people taking profits in this area who did not manage to take it here, will try to take it in this area. So I said, yes, let's do that very quickly. When I did that, I realized the mistake I made. And of course, in this case, it really went down a lot, and then it went up a little bit, and it's still going down. And as we can see, we lost 3 trades in a row, but I'm cool with that. So that's another reason why we are only at this amount, because it was around 130 and it lost many trades lately. But this strategy, like I said, it will lose many trades, and then it will have some big wins, like in this case, right? So it's expected to do that. We can see here it had a lot of losses in a row, losses in a row, losses in a row. It happens, so it's normal. Now I expect it to bounce back pretty soon. Because I realized the mistake, I did two changes on this. I splitted the equity in 5 mini banks, if I can put it that way. So every bot will use 20% of the equity in every trade. And then I tweak the bots because every bot is using 20%. Now I can play around with more leverage, but mind you, not too much. The most leverage I have on a bot is 3x, so not more than that. And there are some of them that don't have any leverage. I think there is one with no leverage. We can see here, this one has 300%. So I run this bot at 3x. This bot is going to use 20% of my account multiplied by 3. Other bot that I tweaked and that I choose other leverage level, it will use the same 20% of the bank multiplied by the leverage I chose. Yeah, and regarding this trade, by the way, because you can see here we have the entry right here and the exit here, or let's say the exit was at this candle right here around 0414, and we can see here is the amount that I bought. At that time I had almost $89, 89 USDT, and you can see that I sold it at 433 instead of 414, which is one line here. Okay, and this one 433. If that's the case, I think maybe I use this green candle. It's possible. I remember it was a green candle and I was sure this is going to go down. Yeah, well, who is not sure about this? Of course, we always know the outcome of every trade. No, but I knew I needed to take profits right there because it was a huge bump. Like, look at this candle. Look at this big fat candle. Are you kidding me? 60%? 60%. When I was watching live the trade, I remember I took profits at exactly 300%. So this amount right here, it was multiplied by 3. So yeah, this is actually one of the strengths of this strategy. If you have to take profit based on the ATR or a percentage, then you would miss this one. But if you have it to be based on the EMA crossing on the opposite side, then you will have this kind of situations. Yeah. So just to clarify this, right now, what is my approach? I have 5 bots using 20% of equity on every trade, and I have different leverage for each bot. One has 1x and the others have 2 or 3x. Very happy about the results. Even if we are almost 25% up, it's not because of the real results. It's because I made a mistake and I leveraged this 10x. The bots that I run at the moment are most of them on the 30 minutes time frame, and all of them are on the EMA cross trade pro script indicator, and one it's on 15 minutes EMA. Let's hope I would not find more holes in my strategy by the next video I will release. Until then, thank you very much for watching and good luck trading.